Okay, busy news day, everybody. Man, every time I think I'm done, something else happens. So I'll wait till you're ready to go. Seems like I can't get done with this stuff today. Just one thing right after another. There's a lot of background information or background noise here, so I don't know what you'll be hearing. As you can tell from the title of this video, I just received some information. You can go to DC Clothesline. I don't have the link available for me right now, but I'm sure you could probably find it if you do a search on the Bundy trial in Nevada. We just learned, of course, about a week ago this time, the prosecution was told that they had to basically submit evidence that they have been trying to suppress, prosecutorial misconduct, that is exculpatory for the Bundys. And you know, they had suppressed it in all of the other trials that have gone on, the misconduct of the BLM, the fact that they were using force without justification, stretching the wording and intent of the supposed court, well, it was a court order, but there's some questions about its veracity. Anyway, so the defense found out about this information on these cameras that were out there that could prove the type of pressure and violence that the BLM and the FBI were placing upon the Bundys prior to the April 12th standoff at the corrals. Well, of course, the prosecution has been hiding this. Of course, it is exculpatory evidence, and it could have been used to basically free everyone that was at least contribute to that in this case with them. And of course, as you know, I was out there, so I saw a lot of this going on and made an issue of it in all of my reporting while I was there. Sniper positions, things like that, which the government wanted to suppress that information. So anyway, it finally came out last week that the judge ordered that the prosecution had to provide this information, and now that they have, now it proves that what the Bundys were saying is true. So here we go again with the federal government. Prosecution and convictions are more important than the truth, and we have prosecutorial misconduct, in my estimation, by the district attorney there in Las Vegas, but that's no surprise to anybody with the way these people handle themselves. So this is just a quick update, and I'll get back to you on this and other things later. Like I say, it's happening fast. Sorry, I keep putting these things up, and I know there's a lot of noise in the background, but I just don't have time to go record it with all the facts coming up so fast. So again, to basically encapsulate this is that the Bundys were railroaded by the federal government. They were basically put in a position where they needed to try to get redress of grievance, and they were denied. And then the government, through the BLM and the FBI, came down on them very, very hard, the EPA as well, and in such a manner that they felt that their lives were threatened, not just their property, and they reached out for help. It's hardly conspiracy when you're trying to protect yourself from that type of abuse and endangerment. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks a lot. I'll get back to you again later. Out here.